few words. Yeah, it's Relic here. Gosh, it's been a while. I'm going to do a simple one tonight. Chicken, bacon and peas. I'm going to use 500 grams of chicken thighs, boneless and skinned. I'm going to use around about half of a Romantine heart, 300 grams of boiled baby potatoes, a packet of lardons, bacon lardons. I'm using smoked, 200 grams, a couple of cloves of garlic minced. We're going to peel and chop these spring onions, fry them off, add some chicken stock, half a pint, and a tablespoonful of creme fraiche, and serve it. Pay attention, this is a cracker. Right then, part one. First part of this is we're going to dry fry the bacon lardons until they've got a bit of colour, and obviously until they're cooked. We're going to keep the fat in the pan, remove the lardons, and then we're going to fry the chicken in the bacon fat. Okay? Right. Make use of your time. While the bacon's frying off, we're going to boil these, put these potatoes on a boil. We're going to bring them to a boil them for 15 minutes. Right, we're going to scrape that bacon out, leave the fat in, and cook the chicken thighs. 3 minutes each side. Right, we're going to fry the chicken 3 minutes each side. You want a bit of colour in there. Don't overcook it, you want to keep some moisture in. Yeah, I've just turned the chicken thighs over, and look at that colour that they've taken from the bacon. Beautiful. So turn them over, second side, 3 minutes each side. Right, what we're going to do now is we're going to transfer the bacon from the pan, chicken from the pan. I'm going to put it in the same container that I've got the fried bacon in. Look at the colour of that, it's just what you want, a little bit of gold there. And what we're going to do is now fry the onions in that fat. So, and if you've got some garlic, 2 cloves of garlic. My garlic's gone soft, so I'm going to cheat. I've got some garlic paste here that I use in my curries, and I'm just going to add a couple of spoonfuls of that in. There we go. Victory loves preparation. Oh my god. After a couple of minutes, I'm going to reintroduce the chicken thighs back to the pan, get them in there with the onions. That fat that's come off there, whoa, that's going to taste good, that is. So, in with the bacon. Yeah, we know. Add the potatoes, half a pint of stock, and bring it to the boil. Once you've brought it to the boil, add 250 grams of frozen peas. As you can see, they're in there. Bring it to the boil and cook for 5 minutes. Simmer, boiling. Right, I'm going to prepare the lettuce now. So I'm just going to cut the ends off, and then that's going to be now. And then I'm just basically going to just cut through. I only want about a quarter of this, so I think that's plenty. Okay, I'm happy with that. That's going to go in, and I'm going to cook it for no more than 5 minutes, otherwise it'll go very, very limp, and you don't want that. Right then, as you can see, it's boiling merrily away. So we're going to waz in the lettuce, whatever it is, next time, read the shells properly. Stir it in. Put the lid back on without burning your fingers. Time it for 5 minutes and it's going to be ready to serve. Don't talk. Yeah, I forgot a tablespoonful of, what's that? Go on.
Creme fraiche.
Creme fraiche. No accent there. Nobody ever know. So, big dollop, creme fraiche, in it goes. Stir it in. We set a timer for 5 minutes. No more, no less. We've got royalty in. Queen Ree's in. Say hello, Ree, go on. Let me hear your voice. Yeah, those dulcet tones, eh? Right, timer, 5 minutes. What can we do for 5 minutes? You're on camera.
Behave yourself. Behave yourself.
Oh yeah. Dip it in.
Behave yourself.
So, you've already had a taste of the sauce, haven't you?
Yeah.
And that's the sauce from the dish, just that sauce. Yeah. And I've got a pot out. There's no reggae in this, right? It's au natural.
No reggae for the rear.
That's what your knife and forks for, you know.
Oh well.
Got, oh my. So, how simple's that sauce though? All it is a bit of garlic.
Really nice.
You should have seen the fat that came out with the chicken and the bacon. When I finished cooking them, I put them all in the same bowl, and there were tons of juice came out of it. It's actually on this video. I think I should cut it out because it's triple X rated, if you know what I mean. Should I stop recording?
Please.
Yeah. What do you think?
Beautiful.
Is it? Would you have it again?
Yeah.
Oh.
That's all you need to know.